Hello, diamond painting lovers. Lazy Retired Granny here. Today's date is Monday, March 13th, 2023, and the time is 9:45 a.m. I am laying the drills down on this canvas, which is the Train Among Flowers. It's a 16 by 24 inch, or I forgot, I need to look, 60 by 40 centimeters. The brand Ming. I purchased this in December of 2021 on Amazon. As far as I know, this is no longer available. I paid $3.90 for it. It's a full canvas, round drills, 24 colors, and I started this on March 8th, 2023. And sorry, there we go. I had Amazon. I was chatting with Amazon on Messenger, and that didn't get me very far. I received an email from somebody saying that he's a Amazon seller, and he wanted me to review a product, and if I was in the US, would I send my address so he could send me a product? Well, number one, the way the whole thing was worded, without a company name and blah blah, I thought, I think somebody's trying to scam me. And I'm not going to give out my physical address. So, yeah, so I contacted Amazon to see if this person actually is a seller on Amazon. And I don't know, I've been passed around to several people, so I just told them forget it. I'm going to say this is a spammer trying to get my information. So, yeah. Have you guys ever gotten an email like that? I mean, if it would have had a company name on it and sounded more professional, I may have considered it if I could go into Amazon and look at the product and, blah, blah, blah. But there wasn't any of that information. And I really didn't want to respond to him so that, in case, I don't know if you respond, if they can get more information. But, yeah, it just didn't sound right to me, the way it was worded. So, yeah, so that's what I've been doing. So, yeah, it has been pouring down rain here in bucketfuls. It started earlier this morning, and when I took the boys to school, the roads were flooding over, and yeah, cars were going too fast, going the other direction, and hydroplaning through those flooded places and splashing water all over the place. I took it slow. I didn't care if there was traffic behind me or what. I didn't want to lose control of the car. Not only me, but I got to think about my grandsons in the car. But yeah, it was just really pouring when I took them to school. Ugh. I hate driving when it's torrents of rain coming down. And it's been rather cool out this morning. Seems like the temperature went up last night, and then this, but they're still saying we're supposed to get this snow tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow morning. But if the temperatures go way down, then we'll have ice on the road, and that won't be fun. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm continuing to work on this canvas. I'm on the last section of it. All I have to do, well, right now I'm just doing the 4s and the W's. I did all the odd colors, so I've got to do the 4s down there, and then the W's and the 4s up here, and then I have one more section up here that has W's, 4s, and then some confetti to it. So all of this over here is done now. Yeah. So, if I can get the camera back. Look what I did. I don't know if you can see it or not. My silicone mats that I had some those clear sticker things. Let me take this off. And I stuck them on there. I thought, I needed to do something with these stickers, so I'll just spruce up my my silicone mats here. Yeah. I got some more of these stickers, so I'm going to be decorating some more of them. I'm going to have to get some more of those. I did see some of those at the dollar store, and I thought, but what would I use them for? Now I know. Yeah, that'll be less expensive than me buying ones on Amazon. I'll just do my own decorations. I'll have to get some really cool of these sticker things. And they peel off, so I can change them around if I want. And plus, I have that kit that I got with the Simpsons stickers. I could use those on there. I think that would work. I don't think those are permanent stickers. If they are, I don't think I want to do that, but yeah. Somebody asked me in the chat, and I did respond, but how long I diamond paint each day. And I kind of looked over my logs because I do keep track of the time that I spend each day diamond painting. But I was looking it over, and I would say on average, I diamond paint about 4 hours a day. And of course, that's less if I have things to do, places to go, which I very rarely do. And I don't just sit and diamond paint, for hours on end. I get up and diamond paint, I sit down and diamond paint usually about an hour, and then I get up and do stuff, and I have to walk around, stretch my legs. I have old lady legs and knees, so I have to, just kind of stretch them out, rest my wrists and all that. And then I come back and I diamond paint for a while and just do that throughout the day. Like this morning, I did some diamond painting and then I took a shower and then went back to diamond painting, and then I got up and got the laundry started, did some dishes. Did a few things around the house, and then I went back to diamond painting, and then fed Ellie her breakfast, and did a few other things, and I went back to diamond painting. Then I took the boys to school. So yeah, it's just kind of hit and miss throughout the day. Plus my eyes will not tolerate me sitting here, for over an hour. The old lady eyes. It is kind of simpler when you're doing these big blocks. And rather than the confetti. When I do the confetti, yeah, I have to take a break probably at least every half an hour. Walk away from it and let my eyes readjust. So I don't think Ellie and I will be going outside on a walk today. Just too muddy and wet out there. Lots of water holes out there. She doesn't like the mud, and she'll walk around the water puddles, and she likes to be clean. She's so funny. Yeah, when she comes in from outside, she'll lay down and, oh my gosh, she's got to groom her feet, get them nice and clean, and I put her raincoat on this morning, but it was pouring down rain. She didn't want to go out there, so. I thought, well, I guess she really doesn't have to go potty that bad. Now, if the UPS truck or FedEx or Amazon truck was coming up, she'd be out there. She's got to bark at them every single time. I do not know what it is about those trucks that she thinks that she's got to tell them she's here and she's protecting her property. She barks at any car that comes. We have a roundabout driveway, so sometimes the traffic will come in the driveway in front of my place and then go around to go up to my son's house upstairs. And, or they'll go straight past my house, go to his house, and then come back around in front of my house. And she's got to bark at them going both ways, but she knows that if they go in front of my house going in, then she'll stand at the other side of the yard waiting for him to come down the driveway on the other side. And then she knows if she sees the farmer next door, or across the way, not next door, but across the way, if she sees him get on his little four-wheeler, she knows that he is going to go over to the cherry field, which we can see part of the cherry field from our yard. So she'll bark and bark and bark at him when he gets on his four-wheeler, and then he'll take off, and then she runs to the other side of the yard looking for him to go to the cherry field. She knows everybody's routine. Oh, I forgot to do those W's down there. Oh, I know why, because the camera's right there. So I moved up so I wouldn't bump the camera. Yeah, I'm going to try to get these W's done today, and then tomorrow I can work on the 4s. There's a lot of W's and a lot of 4s. But I'm just sitting here making my way through the whip and chats from Jeffrey Morrison on the last diamond painting that he completed. He does whip and chats while he diamond paints, and just about, I would say, a good 80% of him diamond painting is a whip and chat. So, and sometimes he'll have like 4 videos in one day. His camera is like mine, where it only goes for 30 minutes. But I didn't start watching him. He was already working on that prior canvas, and so I watched the tail end of it, but I wanted to see the first part of it. And he's got over 600 videos. And when he first started doing YouTube, his videos were an hour long. And then, I don't know what happened, but if he got a new phone, or if I remember right, I heard something about the cell people would only let you video for, about 30 minutes. And then you had to do another video. Or, I don't know. Then you slice them together. So I don't know. I just do 30 minutes. And then on with the next video if I still want to chat. But yeah, nothing too exciting going on here today. I've already got all my chores done. I did the laundry and I vacuumed. I made the bed, did the dishes. I must have got worn out yesterday from going to the dollar stores and Walmart because about 5:30 I made soup and sandwich for dinner. And I turned on Monk. And then, I don't know, just all of a sudden, it's like, I can't keep my eyes open. And it was like, I don't know, 6 o'clock, 5:30, I think. I don't know, with this new time, I think, I don't know, but I think it was 5:30, but I might be wrong. Might have been 6:30. But anyway, I thought, I'm going to go lay down in bed. So Ellie and I curled up in bed, and I fell asleep. She fell asleep cuddling me, and we woke up at 2 o'clock this morning, and it's like I was wide awake. So I got the coffee going, and yeah, we started our day. But that's kind of normal for me. I just go to bed. Sometimes I can stay awake a little bit longer. I know night before last, I stayed up until like 8:30. That's late for me. And I slept in till 4. And it's very rare that I can sleep all night. You know, I usually have sleep for about 4 hours, and I gotta get up, go to the bathroom, go back to bed, sleep for a few hours, and then just get up. I'm all over the place with these W's. No rhyme to reason on these. So what are you guys doing today? Do you have a diamond painting you're doing? Do you guys only do one diamond painting at a time? That's what I do. It's a good thing I don't do more than one. I know I listen to these YouTubers that, you know, have all these projects going. It's like, ugh. I can't even do that with my knitting. I can only do one project at a time. Otherwise, I'd be so goofed up. I did try it one time because everybody was always talking about, oh, I've got, 6 whips going, and it's so fun, to work on one and then change and work on another one. And so I tried it. You know what happened? Yep, I got the patterns mixed up. Forgot what I was working on. So that old saying, just do you. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Love what you do and do what you love. And that is very true. It's just like, people that do unboxings. no matter what it is. It's like, oh, that person has that. That must be cool. I'm going to get it. And you get it, and it's not even something you really will use or want or like. I did that with my yarn. I know when I watch unboxings with diamond paintings, those interest me. I want to know, about the diamond painting and the cost, where you got it, and if there's shipping charges involved. And I will know from when they unbox it and they say the price, whether that's a place that I really want to go to shop. Because I think I have all the prices memorized on Amazon. And a lot of times these places, it sounds cheap, but you go on there and it's like, ugh, yeah, they might be cheap prices, but you're getting smaller paintings, or but I don't know. I guess it just all depends on what your diamond painting, what your preferences are and how much you want to pay. I don't like diamond paintings, regular diamond paintings, that it's like 75% of it is blocking and then you get one little picture. No. No thanks. I don't want to sit there and color block for 4 days. And you only get, a little bit of other colors. So I really watch that now. Now this painting is a little bit different because you get, a variety of stuff. Yeah, this is a lot of color blocking and the sky, but it's not just one little tiny picture. If you know what I mean. Well, I think my 30 minutes is about up. So I'm going to continue on with my W's. Get them done. Yeah, I got to make spaghetti because I'm having spaghetti for dinner tonight because I didn't do it last night. So I'm going to get it going. So I'll probably check in later, see what you guys are up to. Leave me comments so I have something to talk about. I can answer your questions. I enjoy the ones of you that have done that. I like interacting. So suggest something for me to talk about. What you want to hear about. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Happy diamond painting.